Moses the stubborn boy. Long ago, in the peaceful village of Ajat, there lived a young boy named Moses. Moses was intelligent and strong, but he had one bad habit: he was very stubborn. He never listened to his parents, teachers, or elders. Every morning, his mother warned him, "Moses, always obey good advice." But Moses would smile and do whatever he wanted. One day, the village elders told everyone not to cross the old wooden bridge because it had become weak after heavy rain. While everyone obeyed, Moses laughed and said, "Nothing will happen to me." He walked onto the bridge, and suddenly, the old wood cracked beneath his feet. Moses fell into the shallow river below. Thankfully, some fishermen nearby quickly rescued him before he was seriously hurt. Covered in mud and ashamed, Moses realized that his stubbornness had almost cost him his life. He apologized to his parents, the village elders, and his friends. From that day on, Moses became respectful, obedient, and willing to listen to wise advice. The villagers were happy to see the change in him, and Moses grew into a responsible young man whom everyone admired. Moral: listening to wise advice can protect you from danger and lead you to success.